Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. 2020 Stampede, though it is been cancelled in Calgary, and yet we can still celebrate by making a pancake in our homes. And let's go into the video and see how do we make the pancake. Let's get into that video right now. For the ingredients for the pancake, we have ghee, which I'm using here, and also some broken cashew nuts, the baking powder, salt, soaked raisins, a cup of milk, a cup of all-purpose flour, and some vanilla essence. And as I'm mixing, I'll let you know how much is the quantity. To begin with the process of the whole pancake, this is a Stampede pancake, so we melt the ghee approximately about 2 tablespoons and let the ghee be melted, and then we turn on the stove for a medium, at least medium to low. And we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of broken cashews, which is I pounded a little bit. This we got to roast it. The cashew nut is now roasted. We'll turn off the stove and we'll let it cool off. Now we shall do the second part, which is 1 cup of flour in a bowl, and I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and we add a quarter cup of sugar, and we mix it up. At this point we shall add the milk, about 1/2 cup first, and then we mix it up together. And the balance of the milk. So we mix it till it's lump free. And I have 1 tablespoon of soaked and chopped golden raisins. And our batter is ready right now, but we got to let it sit for a while. And finally I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And also the last ingredient is we have the roasted cashew with the butter. You're just going to pour all into that. We should mix it well. And our pancake batter is ready. So the pan is heated, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of butter. and rub it off. And we have the pancakes. Our pancake is ready. I'm going to pour another batch. So this is just the same process as how you cook a regular pancake, but this pancake has no eggs and it's vegetarian friendly. The pancake is ready, dear viewers. Hello viewers, and this is the end product for the Stampede, and so there will be more recipes also will be coming up on this, and you can eat them with maple syrup and so on, and which I've added. And you don't really need some butter because I've already added butter on it. And so thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and happy cooking. See you in my next video.